In a world hungry for extreme vehicle mods, a team reveals a modular rover that can switch between land, water, and air. When a canyon flood traps hikers, the craft morphs from a rugged chassis to a high-clearance boat and finally to a lightweight drone for scouting. Specialized ballast, retractable fins, and a tethered winch enable rescue teams to stabilize currents and ferry survivors to safety. Locals witness a drone-like wing deploying from the rover, guiding chains of rescued souls across foaming mist and echoing thunder. By dawn, the modular marvel writes a new blueprint for crisis response, merging grit, science, and daring engineering.